was a good pancake. I am currently inside the Sunshine 60 observation deck. The best thing of these chairs, man. These chairs are the GOAT. They're so comfortable. See that tall white building? That is an incineration plant. I didn't know those looked like that. Wow. I'm 2 bites deep into this pasta. It's a 10 out of 10. The cheese is so good. Vegetable, bacon, sauce, cooked al dente perfect. Genuinely 10 out of 10 pasta. Best pasta I've had. Time to lock in. Bang! Computer's up. Match point. Bang! 3-point shootout! Wasting punches on this. Oh my god. I gotta, I'm gonna have to go get it. Oh,